the Lord, everybody. I am excited to tell you about an upcoming event that Judah Deliverance Ministries is presenting. We are celebrating our Pastor Appreciation Service on February 15th at 5 o'clock p.m. We have some awesome things going on in this service. We have Ministry of the Music. We have Malcolm Wilson and Joshua Generation Choir. We have Arnold Lethbridge ministering a song. We have Word of Life praise team. And most of all, we have Judah Deliverance Ministry praise team. And we have the Ministry of the Word that will be coming forth with power, signs, and wonders. That Sunday morning, we have Pastor Willie Graham. That Sunday evening, we have our overseer, Bishop Scott, and First Lady Scott that will be joining us on that day. Glory to God. We will be out celebrating the man of God on that day. Pastor Ricky L. Moore, who has labored in the vineyard for the past 8 years. Glory to God. He has been through this, he has been through that, but God's hand has been upon him. He has been faithful, glory to God. And so we want to celebrate him on that day. So I am asking that everyone, far and near, come out and celebrate what God is going to do on this day. And as Pastor Ricky Elmore says all the time, and as Judah Deliverance Ministries church family says, we do it better when we do it together. I want to let you know that the location of our church is 1905 Hyde Park Boulevard, Niagara Falls, New York, 14305. And also, if you need to contact us by phone, the number is 524-2008. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you, and we are looking forward to seeing you on that day.